Hi,
I'm DrSleepwell. Often, patients come to me because they suffer from snoring. Snoring causes a decrease in sleeping quality for you and your partner. A good night of sleep is essential to get the most out of your day. And that's why we designed this effective snoring solution, DrSleepwell SnoreStoppers. It is easy to use and fits very comfortably. Just put the 2 SnoreStoppers in your nose and your nasal passage will widen. This way, you will create maximum airflow through your nose and the soft palate in the back of your throat stops vibrating. This way, you will stop snoring instantly. So just click on the button below to stop snoring, and above all, sleep well.